Welcome to our Summer Sports Event 2024. After the success of last year, we're thrilled to co-host Sport Day 2024 at Tanmi Primary School with Decathlon. Our mission today is to inspire and move people through the wonders of sport. We have exciting activities lined up: soccer, tug of war, and egg and spoon races, all emphasizing team spirit and camaraderie. At the end of the day, we'll provide essential gifts to these young minds, bringing smiles to their faces and motivation to their hearts. The shared happiness among our Scavi members, Decathlon, teachers, and kids is incredible. These moments of joy and unity remind us of the good we can bring to society, spreading kindness and laying the groundwork for future projects. Shared happiness. Shared kindness. Thank you for joining us. Let's make this a day to remember.